right? And then this is the other alternative, lads, okay? So, like, when we did discount allowed, it was debtors and discount because we were giving a discount to someone. It was costing us money and it was reducing the amount they owed us. But the opposite of that is discount received, right? So, again, think about a discount received. If we're receiving a discount, okay, number one, it's going to go into our discount account because we're receiving a discount. And if it's reducing the amount I owe my creditors, it's going to reduce the amount I owe them, okay? So it's going to affect the creditors. So again, draw your little T account there. A plus E, L plus G, okay? So anything on the debit column is going to be assets and expenses, anything in the credit column, liabilities and gains. Okay, right, first things first. I haven't really changed the figures from the last one, so it's the exact same. Right, Suspense figure arises as a result of the posting of an incorrect figure for mortgage interest account, okay? So left of the end, that's the first step, okay? Right, so this figure again is wrong. I need to find the total amount, okay? So it was wrong. I need to find it, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change it, right? So I'm going to change this to 12%, right? Just for today's class, and I'll change it. Right, so so in this question it said it was supposed to be €4,500, but that figure is wrong. So we should get how much we actually paid. So how do I get it? I do this in my biro. I get €140,000 for the loan. Multiply that by 12% because I just changed it there. So 140 multiplied by 0.12, and I get €16,800. Okay. Now that's for 12 months. I need to get the 3 months figure. Divide that by 12, multiply by 3. Divided by 12, multiply by 3, and I get €4,200. Okay, so €4,200. That's how much I actually was supposed to pay. This is how much I did pay, right? So how do I get it, right? So obviously, because I was saying, first account is going to be opened is going to be mortgage interest. Right, fill in the details that we have. Right, what do I know? I know that it was supposed to be €4,500. Okay, how much was it supposed to be? It was supposed to be €4,200. So how do I reduce this figure? I put it on the credit column here, €300, and then that'll bring me down to €4,200. Okay, job done. Right, now if you want me to balance it off, I can, right, but I'll just do that in 2 seconds. Obviously, which is the other account that's going to be affected? Whichever one incorporates suspense. So this one is salaries and general expenses. So second one, salaries and general. Okay, fill it in. What's the first part of the T account? €10,000 on the debit column. Put it in there, okay? So double entry for this, €300. Where does it go? If it's on the credit column, it means it has to go on the debit column of this, okay? So €300 gets added to my salaries and general expenses. Okay, so that's everything done here. Now, I'll balance the accounts at the end for those of you who want me to. Now, discount received. When you see, it's the opposite of discount allowed, right? So when we saw discount allowed, it was debtors and discount, right? Discount received, it's still going to be discount, but the other account, if I'm receiving a discount, it's going to reduce the amount I owe people, so it's going to affect my creditors. So don't forget, it's a discount on goods, lads. All right, a discount on goods. Right, so if we read it, and a discount received entered only in the creditor's account, right? So it was entered in the creditor's account, it was not entered in the discount account. So my third one is going to be discount. Right, go here, up to the trial balance, right? Where do I get my discount figure? If it's discount, right, again, discount received, right? I have 2 discount accounts. We use the discount allowed in the last one, discount received for this one, right? So on the gain column, I'm going to have €3,500, right? Shouldn't be any problem there. So €600, discount received entered only in the creditor's account. So it was entered in the creditor's account, but it wasn't entered in the discount. If I receive a discount, is it going to be an asset or an expense? It's going to be neither. So can it be a liability? Definitely not. It's a gain. Why? Because I'm receiving a discount for €600. Okay? I didn't even put in the figure here. Sorry, that's this of 600. Okay, €600. I just put it in there. Didn't even put it in. Okay, so if I'm receiving a discount, it's going to increase my discount received heading. Okay. Now, double entry for this. If my entry is on the credit column here, where does it have to go? Okay, on the debit column of my salaries and general expenses, €600. All right, so it should look like this: €3,500. Sorry, that's nothing to do with that now. So 3,500 plus 600, it's 4,100 euros, right? That's my discount received. What's that? That's a gain. This is salaries and general expenses. Just total all that up and you should get 10,900. That's an expense. And then mortgage interest is just going to be 4,500 minus 300, gives me 4,200 euros. Again, that should be an expense, providing I haven't to pay it. Okay, spot on. Right, now, next one. So, suspense figure rises, incorrect figure for mortgage interest, right? Account, that's fine. So draw your little line there. That's the first step. Okay, so it's the exact same figures as the above one here. So the first account we're going to open is going to be mortgage interest. Sorry, that was a terrible line. Next account, which one's it going to be? Whichever one incorporates suspense. Okay, so like you would only get asked either option 1, option 2, or same with the discount one. Okay, so you'd only ever get asked kind of one suspense working. So these are just the different types, but like once you can wrap your head around it, they're very, very easy. Okay, so next one's going to be salaries and general expenses. Why? Because it incorporates, excuse my spelling there, I'm in a rush. And then the last one, right, so which I want you to think about it. Discount received. So what are the two accounts? It can affect creditors and discount. Why? Because discount receives. Discount, that's common in all of them, right? And then if it's received, it affects creditors, and if it's allowed, it affects debtors, right? So this is common enough. Now, discount received entered only in the discount account. So it was entered in the discount account, it was not entered in the creditors account, which means I have to open up my creditors. So, my 3 accounts that are open. So these figures are going to be the exact same as above here. Okay, mortgage interest was 4,500 euros. Want to reduce this to 4,200, put 300 on the right hand side. Salaries and general expenses, opening balance, which is taken from here, was 10,000 euros. Right, again, double entry for here, 300 is going to go in the debit column here, 300 euros. And then that's that one done. Right now, the creditors one. So we've got an opening balance for our creditors and our trial balance for the amount of 52,000 euros. Again, it's a liability, put it on the credit column. Now, discount received, again, I never put in the value, 600 euros, right, just the 600. Discount received entered only in the discount account. So, I received a discount. It's going to reduce the amount I owe my creditors. Why? Because I don't have to pay them that money. Okay, so it's reducing this account, right? So, you should look at it like this. 52,000 minus 600 euros is 51,400, okay? So, what I'll do is I'll just balance these accounts. So the 600 euros it goes into the debit column here. Where's the double entry? It has to go to my salaries and general expenses. Why? Because it incorporates my suspense, right? So don't forget, a suspense account, lads, is one that was set up in order to facilitate any small mistakes. So we're rectifying the mistakes here, which means we have to rectify them in the account that they were originally put in. So 600 euros debit column here means it goes credit column here. Okay, so what it looks like is salaries and other expenses was 10,000 plus 300 minus 600 equals 9,700 euros, right? That's an expense. Creditors is now 51,400. Mortgage interest is now 4,200 because it was just 4,500 minus 300. Right? You could just literally do them like that, but I always do them in the T accounts because they allow me to correctly analyse what entry they go on, okay? Because, like, this is the suspense account. You're not going to know if the 600 euros, because depending on if it's a discount allowed or discount received, okay? So always do these in the T accounts. Even if you want to jot them down like that, then you don't even have to balance them off if you don't want to. Okay, as long as you know that this 600 is reducing my creditors, as long as you know that the 600 is reducing my salaries, okay? The 300 euros for mortgage interest is increasing my salaries. It's reducing my mortgage interest. As long as you know that, you will be able to do them.